Welcome back to Luxury Cars, where we explore the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Nissan Quest, a minivan that promises to redefine luxury and functionality. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2025 Quest features a bold, aerodynamic silhouette that not only enhances its visual appeal but also improves fuel efficiency. Its sleek lines and sculpted body create a sense of movement, even when the vehicle is stationary. Up front, the Quest showcases a striking V-motion grille, flanked by advanced LED headlights that provide excellent visibility and a modern touch. The grille's chrome accents add a level of sophistication that sets the tone for the entire vehicle. The sculpted hood emphasizes the Quest's robust presence on the road, flowing seamlessly into the side profile. The strong character lines and a rising belt line contribute to a dynamic stance that suggests both strength and elegance. Moving to the wheels, the 2025 Quest offers a range of stunning alloy wheels that enhance its luxurious appeal. Available in various sizes, these wheels not only look great but also improve handling and performance. Wider tires provide better grip and stability, ensuring a smooth ride for all passengers. At the rear, the Quest continues to impress with its sophisticated design. The LED taillights create a distinctive look, ensuring visibility while adding a modern flair. The rear hatch is designed for easy access, making loading and unloading a breeze. A rear spoiler not only enhances the vehicle's sporty aesthetic but also contributes to improved aerodynamics. The overall rear design balances functionality and style, making it a standout in its class. The 2025 Nissan Quest is equipped with advanced features that elevate its exterior functionality. The available panoramic sunroof provides an open-air feel, flooding the cabin with natural light, while roof rails offer additional versatility for outdoor adventures. With a focus on safety, the Quest includes a suite of advanced driver assistance features, ensuring peace of mind while driving. In conclusion, the 2025 Nissan Quest is not just a minivan, it's a luxurious statement on wheels. Its eye-catching design, thoughtful features, and impressive performance capabilities make it a top contender in the market. Be sure to subscribe to Luxury Cars for more in-depth reviews and insights on the latest luxury vehicles. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.